Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in PayPal account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your wallet here in your PayPal website or mobile app and then just go and transfer the funds. So basically, we click on wallet and from here we will be able to see that we are able to link a new card, etc. And basically here you will need just to link a card and then you will find the transfer button so you can transfer funds from your debit card or your bank account to your PayPal. So the first thing would be just click on the link card and from there you will need just to fill in the informations and add your debit card there. After that, you will find a transfer button that will be showing there and then you will need just to add the amount or choose the debit card or the bank accounts that you want to send the funds from, and then you can add them to your account. And basically, another way to do it, you can simply go from home and then you can find already the transfer funds that will be shown from the home page. And if we click on it, it will be the same operations as before. So you can either transfer to your bank or from using some other bank. So you just click and basically add in the information. And basically, in my case, I have no bank account that is linked with my PayPal account. And basically, whenever you have your bank account that will be linked, you will have the window that will be showing how or the amounts that you want to enter so you can be able to transfer the funds. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.